Hello student, it is the continuation of the poem The Duck and the Kangaroo. Fourth stanza. Let's start. Said the duck, as I sit on the rocks, I have thought over the completely, and I bought 4 pair of worsted woolen socks, which fit my web feet neatly, and to keep out of the cold, I have bought a coat, and every day a cigar, a roll of dried tobacco leaves that people smoke like a cigarette, but bigger and without paper around it. Okay, I'll smoke all to follow my own dear true love of the kangaroo. Now, I told before third stanza, kangaroo put a condition, and that duck accepted that condition, and after the insurance of comfortable from the duck side, duck answered to his doubt. What answered? That she has a 4 pair of woolen socks, and these fit for his web feet neatly, and she also brought one coat also, which keep out of the cold, and she would also smoke a cigar daily to keep herself warm. Okay, next one. Said the kangaroo, I am ready, all in the moonlight pale. Pale means not very bright, but to balance me well, dear duck, sit steady. Steady means constant, without moving, and quiet at the end of my tail. So away they went with hope and a bound. Bound means promise, and they hoped the whole world 3 times around. And who so happy, oh who, as the duck and the kangaroo. Now kangaroo ready to give duck a ride, and after that, in this, what is the theme is there? Fulfillment of the desire. The kangaroo said that it is ready to take her out, but one request. It means kangaroo requested the duck to sit steady, constant, to keep his balance. Move means kangaroo will disbalance. That's why the duck sat at the end of his tail. Both kangaroo and the duck hope the whole world 3 times, taken 3 rounds, and both become happy. Edward Lear. Edward Lear is the poet of this poem. Okay. Hello student. Today we will read C reading. Unit 1 C reading. Little Bobby. Name of the lesson is Little Bobby. Actually, it is the story of a little Bobby who was a bit troublemaker at school and at home. Let's start. A little Bobby came into the kitchen where his mother was making dinner. His birthday was coming up, and he thought this was a good time to tell his mother what he wanted. Mom, I want a bike for my birthday. Little Bobby was a bit of a troublemaker. He had gotten into trouble at school and at home. Now, I told little Bobby was bit troublemaker at school and home. Once he went to his mother. She was making dinner in kitchen. He went there and he told his mother he would want a red bike as a gift of his birthday because his birthday was coming. And then because he was very mischief, means he was not obedient, he was always troubling teachers and mothers at home. That's why now next see, he had gotten into trouble in this one. Bobby's mother asked him if he thought he deserved to get a bike for his birthday. Little Bobby, of course, thought he did. Now mother told him. What mother told? Ki you think first. Do you deserve a bike as a birthday gift? Are you doing like this work? Your work deserves to give a bike as a gift. Little Bobby told, of course, yes. He told, yes, I deserve. Why I not deserve my birthday gift as a bike? Next, Bobby's mother wanted Bobby to reflect, means thought, on his behavior over the last year and said, go to your room, Bobby, and think about how you have behaved this year. Then write a letter to God and tell him. Here him, H is a capital letter because him refer to a God. That's why him, when H him is already, it is if it is used as a capital letter, it means it refer to God Almighty. Why you deserve a bike for your birthday? Now mother told, because mother wanted to reflect. Reflect means mother wanted, he thinked how he had been behavior full year over the last year. That's why mother told him, go to your room and think and write a letter to God and write the reason how you would deserve a bike as your birthday gift. Think one time, how did you behave full year? Now next, little Bobby stumped up the steps to his room. Stampede means walked in a noisy way, in an upset mood. When getting angry, that time walking with a heavy foot, sound is coming, that is called stampede. And little Bobby angrily went to his room. Jessie, his pet dog, followed him. Bobby thought for some time and sat down to write a letter to God. Jessie sat beside him started watching that Bobby was doing. Now Jessie was a dog, his pet dog. His means Bobby's pet dog name. He went to the room. Room was the upstairs, and Jessie also followed, means went along with Bobby into the room. And now Bobby started writing letter because mother told to write a letter to God and then tell what is the reason is there, and you write about God and ask you deserve or not deserve bike. And after that, Jessie also, the dog also sit beside near the Bobby when he was writing a letter. He started letter. Hello children, it is the part 2 of the little Bobby, page number 21. Let's start. His mother told, write a letter. Whose mother? Bobby's mother told to write a letter to God and write the reason you would deserve a bike, how you would deserve a bike. Now Bobby went to his room and now he has written a letter. Let's see what was the letter there he has written. Dear God, I have been a very good boy this year and I would like a bike for my birthday. I want a red one. Your friend Bobby. Now he has written letter. Now that dear God, it is called salutation. That dear God, dear mom, what you will write in informal letters. Now what he has written, he wrote a letter. He wrote a letter to God, and he has written, I had been a very good boy over the year, please God, and I would like a bike, red color bike in as my birthday gift. Please give me a red color bike as a gift of my birthday. And then after this, your friend Bobby. Next, Bobby knew that knew is the past form of the no. That this wasn't true because it was not true. He told lie. He was not did at all in full year. He was not a good boy. He did not behave. He made lot of. He caused the trouble their teachers and mother. That's why he knew that very well. Ki God will not give him bike. He had not been a good boy this year. So he torn up the letter and started again to write another letter. So he knew very well God will not give because he did not behave good. He had not behaved good over the year. So he torn up the letter and again he started writing second letter. Let's see second. Dear God, this is your friend Bobby. I have been a good boy this year and I would like a red bike for my birthday. Thank you, your friend Bobby. Now, second letter he has written more close way. Ki I am your friend God and I had been a very good boy over the year and please I wanted a red color bike as my birthday gift. Please give me. And this letter he has completed. Next, but Bobby knew that this wasn't true either. Either means two, T-O-2. So T-O-O-2, two. So also, either is also two, same sense is there. So he torn up the letter and started again. Now again he knew because he was not good boy. He had not been behaved nicely in that year. That's why, and he was not a obedient boy. He was always making troubling to all teachers and his parents. So he torn again this God will, because bad, he was thinking bad boy, God will not give anything. Who are good, that God is listening their only prayer. Now next third letter, he again written third letter. Dear God, I have been an okay boy this year. I still would really like a bike for my birthday, Bobby. Now next letter, he has written कि I had been a okay boy, means not very good, not bad boy, medium boy was there. Then also please give me, I would want a bike as my birthday gift. But again, Bobby knew he couldn't send this letter to God either. So Bobby wrote the fourth letter. Now again Bobby, कि this kind of letter if I will send, कि I was okay boy, God will not give anything. God will give everything those who are very good, those who are honest, obedient and listening their parent and they are doing their job properly at their time, disciplined manner. Now again he written tone and again written fourth letter. God, I know I haven't been a good boy this year. I am very sorry. I will be a good boy if you just send me a bike for my birthday. Please, thank you, Bobby. Now again he has written fourth letter. Now he did not lie. He has written truth. I had been not a good boy this year, but I promise you. And he asked sorry for that. What? That my behavior was not good that year. Now, but if you will give me a bike, then I would be a good boy. Means I would become a good boy. So please give me a bike as my birthday gift. Okay.